The electronics industry is in the midst of a major shift. The surge in highly advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, high-performance computing, 5G and 6G wireless communications, next-gen packaging and systems, e-mobility, and complex integrated systems require new strategies. They challenge how we design and build electronics. They demand next-gen thinking. Coming in 2025. Get ready to reimagine the possibilities. IPC APEX EXPO 2025 is the place to open your mind to newfound opportunities and innovations. Opportunities for increased functionality, power, efficiency, quality, and reliability. For resilient supply chains, greater sustainability, a stronger workforce, and new investments. Start with the largest gathering of electronics industry professionals and equipment manufacturers in North America. Now, in its 25th year, IPC APEX EXPO 2025 promises an extraordinary opportunity to engage with the global electronics manufacturing industry. Enjoy non-stop networking, an international technical conference, professional development courses, standards development meetings, and access to innovative technologies and trends that define the future of electronics. Reimagine the possibilities at IPC APEX EXPO 2025.